One District, One Factory, an initiative by the government of Ghana to industrialize communities by using local resources in manufacturing products for consumption, has in turn become a major source of job creation in the country. The economic benefits of the initiative to every community is unique, as the program is meant to reduce overdependence on imports and exports on consumer goods and food. Keta Municipality is reputed to have a large fish stock. Keta is also a fertile ground for farm produce, and cassava, arguably the most consumed farm produce in Ghana, is in abundance among other farm crops. The Municipal Assembly, under the able leadership of Honorable Godwin Eduji Efa, has sought a partnership agreement with Homoku Planners and Engineering Limited to set up a cassava processing factory to be situated at Chiama, Dovema, in fulfillment of government's One District, One Factory initiative. An entourage from the Keta Municipal Assembly, led by the Municipal Chief Executive, paid a familiarization visit to Homoku Planners and Engineers Limited, and the progress of work at the plant indicates Keta is in line to boast of a first factory.
Before you establish a factory, there are a lot of factors you have to consider. Number one is funding. And then our own brother, Kofivi Homoku, is able to fabricate his own machines, and then we'll bring them to Keta. Ours is to help secure a site, make sure that everything is done right. Then the machine, the factory can start operations. The assembly will also inject money into this. So I think we are better off than other municipalities or districts. If we have our own machines, it's not that it will be shipped to the country. And then we're thinking about how to convey them from Takrady or Tema to Keta. They are all around. Ours is to make sure we inject some money into it by partnering them.
The equipment for the cassava processing factory in Keta would have mechanical cassava peeler, stainless steel cassava graders, cassava disintegrator, stainless steel hammer mill, flash dryer, hydraulic press, automatic gari roaster, stainless steel slicer, hammer mill and cyclone, sifter to produce flour. The managing director of Homoku Planners and Engineers assured the MCE and his team of his outfit's readiness to commence work at the factory.
Around the Keta municipality, you can see that there is no factory at this time. So that's why when I heard of 1D1F, I invited those my engineers so that we gather and then we plan it. It will boost our area, bring more jobs.
The cassava processing factory would be supplied with raw materials from a 70-acre farm on site. The MCE, in efforts to commence work, also paid a visit to the farmland. From all indications, the cassava plantations at the farmland will be ready for cultivation in September 2020. After monitoring progress of work at the plants and a visit to the farmland, Keta is poised to have a first factory. The factory is set to commence work, and Keta is set for a major economic boost.